My question is, when someone is feeling stressed, what are 3 suggestions you did share with them on how to feel less stressed?
The question is, when you are feeling stressed, what to do for getting de-stressed or less stressed? More or less it is associated with the same question. When you are feeling negative thoughts, what to do for being positive? But when you are stressed and to want to release the stress, the only thing required is you change the subject in which you are involved at present. You change the activity for the moment which has been causing the stress. You take a little leaf from the same for as long as you consider it feasible, and then you can say that if my job is causing stress, what can I do? You say, whenever I study becomes stressful, what should I do? Whatever you are doing is causing stress. Why? Every time stress is caused because you have trained your body, you have trained your mind in a wrong way. Nothing can be done for doing away with your stress without changing the pattern on which your mind, your body and your emotions have been working up till now. You need to bring about changes inside. Nothing of the outside can help you, I tell you. That is why everybody is taking outside help for doing away with stress and nobody is succeeding. If you want to do away with your stress, if you want total freedom from stress, temporary relief from stress will not do. Temporary relief can be suggested. You can stop your work and go for a walk, watch some movie or go for a chit chat or a little gossip, but these are meaningless temporary methods. You have to achieve total freedom from stress, and for achieving total freedom from stress, you will have to bring about certain changes from within yourself. I am telling you 3 things. Number 1, do something as a part of your physical exercise every morning. Because if you do something with your physiology, the stress from your physiology will start disappearing. Then do something with your thoughts. Start thinking positive thoughts. Start focusing on flowers of your life. Every morning when you get up, write down the beautiful things which the existence has offered you. Focus on the blessings which have been showered upon you by the existence. In your diary, start writing 10 beautiful things every morning after getting up in the morning. Write 10 beautiful things. Nobody is poor enough not to be able to write 10 beautiful things which God has given him or her. Yes or no? Write down and your thoughts and emotions will change. When you remember the flowers of your life, everything in your life will, all the thoughts of your life will start converting into flowers. And third thing, practice being in a state of no mind for 10 minutes. If you do 3 important activities, one at the physiological level, the other at the level of your thoughts and feelings, and the third at the level of your being through meditation, the stress will disappear forever from your life. No temporary measures should be suggested. Number 1. And number 2, as I have told you, there is single remedy for all the problems which are associated with your life, and that is practice mind power meditation and learn three fundamental maxims of life transformation. The first maxim, learn the science of mind power. The second maxim, experience the power of no mind through meditation. And the third maxim, learn the science of joyful living. If you learn these three dimensions in the form of three fundamental maxims, not only stress, not only negativity, but everything that is not wanted will disappear from your life, and everything that is required for extraordinary success and experiencing everlasting joy in your life will start appearing in your life. Thank you.